Hi, I'm DeDe Soto of the Soto Law Group, and welcome to our first episode of Legacy Protected, planning and protecting families throughout Southern California and beyond through estate planning and probate. I was inspired to start this podcast several years ago when I would meet people and they would think that, oh, I just need a will, or maybe I need a trust, but I don't know where to begin. And they don't have the right knowledge and they're just afraid. And so many times people will freeze and they do nothing. And then their legacy goes unprotected and it ends up in the wrong hands, or it ends up belonging to people that they had no intent that their legacy should go to. And that's financial affairs, even minor children being left in the wrong hands or to CPS. So, in these various different episodes coming up, we're going to unravel and gain an understanding of what really happens if you do nothing and if you freeze. And I myself actually know that and understand because I wanted to start this podcast several years ago. And I kept thinking, I'm going to do this. I want to get the knowledge out there. And guess what? I procrastinated as well. And it's taken me years until I realized I can't just do this on my own. I need to hire a professional to get my podcast going and to branch it out there and have it meet those that are listening to podcasts today. So I hope this grows and I hope we'll provide a lot of educational knowledge, some good stories, meet some of our clients, some business professionals, and others that understand the urgency of doing estate planning, of which it's better to plan sooner rather than later. I've worked with clients for the last almost 17, 20 years. I started my firm on a one-on-one basis just for family and friends, and it just progressed from there. I actually started right at my kitchen table, lots of entrepreneur stories that just get started in their garage or wherever. But yes, I was on my kitchen table and met with lots of clients, started working with young families. And from there, it has progressed. And we do obviously the estate planning, we do probate for those that fail to plan. And then we clean up the messes through trust litigation and sometimes trust administration. And many times you'll hear that trust administration starts off everyone singing kumbaya, everyone's happy, and then something happens and it triggers and it goes into litigation, unfortunately. So we're here to hold your hand no matter what phase of estate planning you're going through. And hopefully you can get through it. It doesn't turn into litigation, but we are absolutely capable of handling the litigation. We have a full team here, and you'll meet the team players, the paralegals, my assistants, my other associate attorneys. Currently, we have two other associate attorneys plus myself. So we are a full service estate planning probate firm. We'd love to help you. We'd love to meet you. We approach planning very different. We like to have an understanding of who you are and what you want to protect and how you want to protect, right? We always say we want to maybe protect your bloodline. We want to make sure that your family is protected against creditors or potential ex-spouses, right? Or that pool boy or the barfly, right?